So let's start. Okay, so again, good morning everyone. Welcome to another webinar titled Scaling Up MLS Multiple Listing Sharing, Tips for Real Estate Brokers and Agents. And this is your real estate coach, Samuel Lau from Cebu. So our topic today, kumbaga pinili ko itong MLS topic talaga kasi being in our real estate practice, ito yung pinaka-importante sa lahat. Paano ba tayo magkaroon ng real-time multiple listing sharing in real time, no? Halimbawa, I'm in Cebu, I need a listing in Ormoc, in Tacloban, or in Luzon. Traditionally, I will call Tess, I will call Bern, I'll call our colleagues, the broker or licensed agents in Luzon, then we change in Messenger. Masyadong parang mabagal, no? We have only real-time na mga platform that I can access real-time yung listing ng mga kaibigan nating practicing brokers. So mas mabilis, no? So MLS is very important in our practice to move forward, no? So ngayon, I'm going to share to you mga tips paano to scale up our practice in MLS. So, number one tips is kailangan natin to adapt the technology. Ngayon, lahat tayo we're using a smartphone. Sa smartphone natin, may data, may karamihan only data, malalakas ng data natin, mabilis na. So, there's no reason we cannot browse, we cannot upload our listing real time. Kaya we need to leverage. So, automated listing update, dapat nagkaroon na tayo ng ganyan. Real-time notification, easy integration with our marketing channel. So again, we need to leverage on technology. Next, we need to optimize our listing content. So high-quality photos, detailed property description, accurate price information in real time. So these are things na using our smartphone. I think I recommend Honor. Honor brand, no? It's a subsidiary of Huawei. Maganda yung camera nila. But again, marami naman mga digital phone ngayon na high resolution na yung camera nila. And then, if we put angles on our MLS photo, dapat yung angle, let's say, if you position the bahay, you can catch the buong bahay. Tsaka if you go to living area, wide angle, para kuha mo yung buo, no? So, meaning, dapat yung photos natin that we uploaded for marketing, photos attract and sell by itself. Kasi yan yung unang mga catch the attention ng mga buyers, ng mga fellow brokers natin and real estate practitioners. Next, let's expand our network. Importante na we need to be active in our organization, local organization or regional organization or national organization. Dapat we need to be active kasi minsan lang mangyayari sa buhay natin. Me, in my 15 years practice, not even 5% of my total sales portfolio na na-close ko solo na akin yung buyer, akin din yung listing. Always, more than 90%, it's always a cooperation or collaboration ng fellow brokers, pero licensed agents, no? So, again, by the way, paalala ko, I also invited today's participants, not only licensed broker, we also invited licensed agents, we also invited mga property owner, again, property owners we invited, and we also invited other professionals na mga enterprising of professionals na willing to share their listing to us. So the reason I invited our other professionals para malaman nila na we're here, we have a platform, all of us licensed broker, we have a platform. Okay? So expand your network, very important. Next, engage with social media. So very important, we need to use social media. Okay, hold on. Ano ko lang tong mic, no? Medyo turn on our mic, control, allow. Please kindly turn off our mic para malinis lang. Okay. Sorry for that. Okay, let's continue. So engage with our social media. So dapat pag meron tayong mga MLS, we need to maximize our engagement in social media. Dapat consistent yung profile natin about us in our Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. Then if we advertise also in social media, if we do posting in social media, dapat maximize hindi lang yung pag nag-posting ka sa social media, XY, isang bahay lang, isang property lang, you spend 5,000 for advertising pero isang bahay lang pala. If your client don't like it, walang choice. Kaya we will discuss latter part how to maximize your investment, your advertising cost. Next. So again, we discussed that, no, is invest. So halimbawa nag-invest si Tess from Ormoc and advertise niya yung isang 5 hectares raw land for residential development. Pero what if pag-click ni buyer, ayaw niya yung property na yun, wala na. Tapos na. So ang maganda dyan, meron tayong platform na ituturo ko mamaya na pag nag-advertise si Tess ng Ormoc property, pag-click niya, yung buyer, hindi magbabasa, hindi doon sa Facebook, but dadalhin siya doon sa website ni Tess Olaywar para doon siya magbasa information content about that property. And then pag ayaw ng buyer that property, meron pang mga alternative choices na may offer si Tess. We will discuss that later part. But again, nowadays, very important yung advertising online. And some can we do it na libre. Mahirap na po ang libre ngayon kasi sa karamihan ng mga property ngayon,
Siyempre, kay
mute. Okay, sorry. So, kailangan talaga mag-advertise na talaga tayo. Paid advertising. Yung organic po, medyo mahirap na. Maliban na lang if you go into become an influencer, no? So, but organic, a little bit mahirap. So, provide exceptional customer service. Another tips. Kasi tayo focus masyado more on the advertising, getting new client. Okay, maybe you spend 30,000 and you can get around qualified 10 leads, and sa qualified 10 leads you can get close 1 or 2. But nakalimutan natin na if we go talk to a qualified clients, yung happy customers natin, we give a good professional service. Let's say I close a deal with Mr. Fred Gela and then happy siya sa service ko, I can ask 3-5 referral from Fred. Mga pinsan niya, Sir Fred, congratulations to your new house dito sa Casamera, Naga. Baka meron kang mga kaibigan, kamag-anak na gusto mo maging kapitbahay mo dito. So, ang kagandahan doon, hingi ako ng referral, di ba? So, pag tinawagan ko yung pinsan niya, hello, Mr. Pedro Gela, I was referred to you by your friend Fred. No? Mas mabilis ang bintahan kasi they have a common friends and referred by relatives or a very close friend. So, importante din sa performance natin sa MLS that we need to monitor and analyze the performance. Yung KPI natin. Halimbawa, we advertise photo, design natin sa Canva. Kung then yung targeting natin sa Facebook, posting natin, does it deliver active engagement? Pag wala, we need to change. So, we need to have an active. By the way, some of these mga tips natin will have another thorough discussion one by one para sa mga pagtulong namin sa inyo how to promote this online, no? But again, very important, we need to monitor our activities. We need to track our performance. Ano bang activity deliver good result, ano activity does not, para hindi sayang yung pera natin. Bottom line, sa pera natin na 10,000 paid ads, magkano ba conversion rate natin? So again, very important, monitor, analyze our performance. The next steps is stay informed and adapt. So again, in our practice, dapat we need to be always, hindi yung always on the part of learning. Kumbaga, hindi yung narating na natin, we're a licensed broker na, we're a licensed appraiser, consultant, tapos na, we know na, no? Hindi. Dapat we continue to learn because what is constant in this world is change. Yung dating approach natin prior to pandemic is forget it, no? there's a big leap of transformation. Nowadays, more than 90% people are using digital, online, and we're browsing over our phone. Iilan na lang gumagamit ng laptop, everything on phone, on phone, on phone. Everything they search property on phone. Hindi na uso ngayon yung flyer in the mall, hard way of selling, hard rock, wala na. So we work smart, we work strategically, no? Ngayon. So we need to stay informed, we need to attend yung mga free webinar or mga paid webinar, paid seminars, just to keep update our practice. So in conclusion, scaling up MLS listing sharing requires strategic planning. Okay, requires strategic planning, requires technological innovation, so marami dyan, and effective marketing tactics, no? So, i-highlight natin ito in the future webinar natin yung mga strategic approach in the sooner part, tsaka yung mga new technology innovation, like most of us, we know about AI, artificial intelligence, but have you maximized using the AI? I'm not sure, no? Okay, so how to maximize our AI, especially in content making, article making, advertising making, SEO make, etc. No? And effective marketing tactics. Marami we're using. If you're targeting this type of demographic, is it TikTok ba? Is it Instagram? Is it LinkedIn? Or is it Facebook? Or is it Google? Marami po. So that would be another topic in the future. So, in reality, I shared to you earlier mga tips paano natin palaguin to expand, to scale up our MLS practice in the real estate. But in reality ito po ang katotohanan. There is no real-time MLS platform to connect all our listing now nationwide. Yes, wala pong real-time MLS platform sa ngayon na nag-connect. Meron tayong mga Lamudi, meron tayong mga Prophet, Signet, iba pa. Yes, meron, but again, this is commercial MLS. We broker, we sign in, we subscribe to them, we advertise our listing, maybe we advertise 10 properties, hoping ang trabaho nila Moody on other commercial MLS is to connect us, to advertise it, connect us with the potential buyers and clients. So it's more on buyer to client platform. So now question, what if may property sa Ormoc na in-advertise si Tess sa Lamudi? Nagtanong si Mr. Smith na from US, pwede ba ibigay ni Tess yung lamudi.com/Ormoc 003 listing niya kay Smith, Buyer Smith? Hindi. Why? Kasi pag ibinigay ni Tess yung link ng Lamudi, Roland niya doon, ang mangyayari is parang pinashopping din niya si Buyer Smith sa iba pang listing ng Lamudi na may iba-ibang broker. So parang pinamimigay mo yung broker mo, ay yung buyer mo sa ibang broker. So what is very important here is nagpagod ka na nga ng advertise pero tinapon mo pa yung client mo sa iba. What's important is pag-click niya doon sa ads mo, mag-shopping siya, kahit mag-shopping siya nationwide, ikaw lang yung listing broker with your website. Okay? In reality, there's no MLS ngayon that represent by licensed broker agents na isang website na nandun na lahat with a general standard MLS practice na yung 50-50 sharing, yung nag-advertise dyan by agreement, by principle, by terms and condition, bago siya mag-advertise, alam na niya na he or she honor the 50-50 sharing. And that can carry thousands of listing nationwide. Meaning, kahit bago pa si broker A, the moment nag-subscribe siya, meron na siyang collaborating listing na pwede niya i-market nationwide. Okay, we will discuss what I'm talking about. This is the phmls.com. The phmls.com, allow me to share to you, it's a real-time listing sharing nationwide that handle brokerage, the resale market, the rental and leasing, project selling, at iba pa. And lahat ng listing dito, it will, kumbaga, palaging bago, less than 90 days old. Kasi pag lumampas ng 90 days, tsaka hindi ina-update ng mga listing broker, ang mangyayari yung listing ni Sir Hermie is magiging offline. Kaya obligado si Broker Hermie pag nag-subscribe siya sa system natin, dapat regularly ina-update ni Sir Hermie yung listing niya. Sold na ba ito or baka nagbago ang price? Kaya pag the broker is so busy, the system will automatically offline. Hindi namin i-delete. Offline lang. Para by the time pwedeng balikan ni Sir Hermie ang website niya, go to the all property listing na na-upload niya, yung mga nag-offline, pwede niyang i-edit at saka i-republish again and it will run another 90 days. Di ba? Kasi karamihan sa mga website ngayon, even karamihan sa mga website ngayon sa totoo lang, yung ibang mga listing dyan, it's already 6 months old or more than 1 year pa, hindi na updated, no? So, that's the reality. Even our very own, yung mga sariling personal website natin or personal realty website natin, once we upload, seldom we can monitor the updating. Okay? So, that's the reality. Next, PHMLS.com gives broker-to-broker agents platform and broker-to-buyer platform in real-time collaboration. This is what I mentioned na the moment si Sir Hermie mag-subscribe, bibigyan si Sir Hermie ng website. The moment si Tess mag-subscribe, bibigyan siya ng website. Ngayon, if we have 100 subscriber broker nationwide, tendency, the moment si Tess mag-upload sa araw na to ng 10 new properties for sale in Leyte, in real time, real collaboration, lahat ng 10 listing niya lalabas sa website ng mga subscriber natin nationwide. If we have 1,000 subscriber, yung 10 listing niya will be the content also sa 1,000 subscriber. Kaya walang lamangan dito, all fair. Kumbaga, the website will give us all opportunity, equal opportunity. If we have 1,000 subscriber, we have 1,000 website. Lahat ng contents from website 1 to website 1,000, lahat na yan pariho ang laman, pariho ang content. So, the moment broker B, bago siya pasado sa BSREM, bumasa, got the license, the moment he subscribed, automatically, he can collaborate in marketing all the listing in our PHMLS website, which is uploaded by our listing brokers nationwide. So kahit si Broker Bernard na taga Tacloban base, pwede siyang mag-market sa South Luzon property, North Luzon property, NCR, or even as far as Jensen property or Dipolog property. Vice versa, our broker colleague from Jensen, dito ako magbi-businessan kasi mura ang sahod dito tsaka mura everything, no? And I'm happy, presko hangin. So, but again, he can do business nationwide using our PHMLS in real time, collaborating with our broker to brokers. And in real time, collaborating, pwede niyang ibigay yung website niya sa mga buyers niya kasi the moment mag-browse si buyers doon, kahit mag-browse siya, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao property, si broker B lang ang profile broker. Again, if you have your website, you're the only profile broker. Kahit yung buyer, mag-shopping siya ng iba-ibang property nationwide, kahit ikaw na subscribe broker, wala ka pang personal listing mo, don't worry. Because lahat ng listing ng mga ibang broker, the moment you subscribe, you can, under our terms and conditions, you can collaborate and market it as a selling broker or selling broker para maghanap ng buyer with our agreement of 50-50. No? Next, the broker will have its own unique website like subdomain account package or pro-domain account package. The profile, only the selling broker owner. I mentioned that already, no? Next, broker can maximize marketing with thousands of listing nationwide and with downloadable real estate forms. Okay, in our website, I mentioned earlier, pag si Tess nag-advertise sa Facebook, by the way, I will demo this latter part para mas maintindihan nyo. Pag si Tess nag-advertise sa Facebook ng Ormoc property niya, dapat pag-click ng buyer, doon magpa-pop up yung website ni Tess. Diba? tessolibar.phmls.com or tessolibar.com. And then, doon mag-shopping. Pag ayaw niya doon sa property A na yon, pwede siyang mag-shopping ng other properties, but nothing to worry because ang profile broker doon is only Tess Olivar. Diba? So, you captured your client. Hindi mo pinamimigay yung client mo. Okay? I'll show you later part, no? The more information. Now, do selling globally 24/7 and maximize digital marketing using website as the broker landing site for your listing. I mentioned that already. So, kagandahan kasi sa website, kahit tulog tayo, yung ibang country, gising sila, they're shopping, we can maximize. Halimbawa, binigay ni Tess ang listing, ang share niya ng website niya dun sa pinsan niya sa Dubai. It happens during the time gising yung taga Dubai, nag-shopping siya ng property sa Leyte. Ngayon lumapit yung kasama niya sa boarding house. Bro, meron bang listing dyan sa Luzon from Cavite? Tignan natin dito. Bro, yung isa naman from Dipolog, tignan natin dito. They are shopping all in the website of tessolivar.com. Kagandahan, kahit listing ng ibang broker yan, Dipolog and Luzon, si Tess pa rin ang profile broker. Dadaan sa kanya lahat sa landing page niya ang inquiries sa email niya. And now, Tess can collaborate to the listing broker. And doon papasok yung collaboration, 50-50. Diba? Kagandahan dyan is, if we have 1,000 subscriber, yung listing ni Tess, 1,000 people help market the listing. And vice versa. Diba? Tulong-tulong tayo. Yun naman habol natin, diba? Kahit sa offline tayo, we share it to fellow broker, hoping na si Mr. Hermie may buyer na may refer sa atin. Ganun ang laro. So, we need to be generous in sharing. Wala namang mawala. What's important here, we honor the 50-50 sharing. We will discuss that more. Okay? So, what is our investment here, Sam, to scale up our, again, this is optional. I'm just inviting this to you because this is one of our business. Ginawa kong negosyo ito because in my 15 years, I see the problem of our industry practice. So I'm investing on this program para to help our brokers nationwide. So subdomain package, 500 per month. What's the 500? Parang mura pa ngayong unlimited, yung parang it all you can, no? The package it all you can now around 700 to 800. In Manila, it's 1,000 plus. So this is 500 a month or 6,000 pesos only per year. Then you can have now samuellau.phmls.com or arnitaruiz.phmls.com. So mangyari dito, subdomain. You don't need to buy your own domain name and your own license. So cheaper ang cost dito kasi prefix ka subdomain nga, di ba? So it's a one-time cost and it's an annual premium. So 6,000, after that forget, next annual ulit ang cost mo. Okay, now the second package is ProDomain account. ProDomain is you want to build your own brand. Some, I have my own realty. I have my escolarrealty.com. Si Anita, some I have my arlanrealty.com. So I want to buy my own subdomain. Halimbawa, gusto ni Mr. Joshua, joshuarealty.com. Gusto niyang bumili ng sarili niyang domain. So, pro account tayo. So, bibili kayo ng domain name niyo sa GoDaddy and also the SSL license. Then you give it to us. Then, our technical will do the one-time setup fee for 5,000 pesos. Plus, since this is a pro account, that would be 1,000 per month or 12,000 only per year. Again, this is a pro account. You buy, kayo po ang bibili ng domain name nyo. Either you pay your domain name for 1 year or 2 years or 5 years, but I highly recommend buy for 5 years para mas mura tsaka long term. You preserve your brand. Kasi negosyo naman pinasok natin, di ba? Parang bumili ka lang ng DTI name online, no? So you buy escolarrealty.com. Then may kasamang SSL license yan. So again, negosyo na yan ngayon ng mga GoDaddy kasi hindi lang domain, may kasama ng SSL license certificate yan. So, or if you want escolarrealty.ph, meron din. So, our IT team can help facilitate that to you. We facilitate with a set-up fee of 5,000, one time only. And then the yearly premium natin, subscription is 12,000, equivalent to 1,000 per month. So, next year, ang babayaran niyo sa amin is only the 12,000 per year. Okay? Wala nang setup. One time lang po yung setup eh. Kaya yung domain name nyo naman, depende kung if it's yearly nyo binabayaran or it's every 3 years or every 5 years. So, we can discuss that further. Now, how can we start on this sum? Don't worry. We offer 3 months subdomain package. Sa negosyo, I want you all to try it first, no? So you can help give us also feedback. So again, please kindly screenshot or get a picture on this screen. What we needed here is, if you wanted, I invite you. It's free, no? I invite you to try our PHMLS, stands for Philippine Multiple Listing Service website. PHMLS. So let's collaborate para real time we can help market your Laguna property, your South Luzon listing, your North Luzon listing. So imagine we are creating digital bridges, digital platform to connect all our listing nationwide. So kahit you're in Laguna, you can market Bismin property. Kahit you're from Samar, you can market nationwide listing. And you have nothing to worry because all listing is handled and handled and reviewed by licensed broker. By the way, Sam, paano naman kami mga licensed agents? Paano naman kami mga property owner? Paano naman kami mga other professional we want to join? Okay, ito po yun. Under our PRC, we can advertise here is only our licensed broker. We limit that one. In respect to our licensed salesperson, since the licensed salesperson is supervised their broker, dapat yung lahat ng listing ng mga licensed salesperson dadaan sa broker. If that licensed broker, let's say si Tess Olivar, yung mga ahente niya sa Leyte, if she authorized to kumbaga, yung account ni Tess, ibig ko sabihin, yung account ni Tess, if she authorized one of her licensed person to do the loading, uploading, and manage her website, wala tayong problema dyan. But as long on the profile on our database, ang kausap natin dyan is broker Tess. Again, kahit si Hermie from Laguna, masyadong busy si Hermie sa organization, sa building up network, kaya nag-hire lang siya ng organic staff niya, secretary. Sir Hermie, no? Kung nag-hire ka ng IT secretary mo, siyang nag-upload, siyang nagmo-monitor, siyang lahat. Binabato na lang sa iyo yung mga qualified inquiry para hindi ka maging busy. Walang problema. Basta on the account, on our perspective, on our database, that is broker Hermie. Okay? Now, how about yung mga property owner? Itong kagandahan, di ba problema natin palagi, how to solicit exclusive listing. I'll teach you how to solicit exclusive listing. So using our program now, sabihin ngayon ni Sir John Rolapares, Mr. Property Owner, is it okay with you so I can maximize my marketing to your property warehouse in Consolacion? Can you trust me to have 6 months exclusive listing? Ito po yung menu of service namin. Pag naging exclusive listing ko yan, gagastos po ako dito sa advertising in my website. Itong website po na to, yung listing mo, i-share ko po ito sa lahat ng mga membro ng MLS namin broker. So, mahirap naman po ako ang gumastos, ako ang mag-advertise, ako ang magpagod, ako mag-effort. Baka makita yan ng ibang mga broker ng mga sabihin na lang natin unethical broker. They will go directly to you bypassing me. Mahirap naman, di ba? So, if you really want, kasi ilan lang ba? So, to be honest, if you're a property owner, you can maybe top maximum 3 or 5 licensed broker to help market your property. But using our MLS platform, the moment we subscribe, not only 3 or 5, we have hundreds, we have thousands of licensed broker to help market your property. And the moment we advertise in our PHMLS, in my website, Mr. Property Owner, hindi lang po broker ang makakakita ng listing na yan, pati po mga ahente, pati po mga buyers. So, kung hinihingi ko lang po using this, so kumbaga, pagandahan na lang tayo ng presentation to able to solicit exclusive listing kasi we need to justify to our client, property owner. Bakit ba we are worth it na bigyan ng exclusivity? So, kanya-kanya tayo ng packaging. So ako naman minsan, if you give me that listing, ito po gagawin ko, I will perform due diligence round 1 to check your property na legally feasible. I'll secure all certified copies. Gagawin ko po lahat yan bago ko i-advertise sa listing, no? So again, you try it. I invite you to try for 3 months. So please kindly email to us full name, mobile number, email, address, PRC ID nyo. Kasi as I mentioned to you, this website is only licensed broker. Mapapareb ka, makreba ka, mareba ka, mainria ka, or any other organization, as long, bottom line, you're a licensed broker, you're a licensed appraiser, you're a licensed consultant, you're open. How about salesperson? Please collaborate to your broker. For property owner, collaborate to your friend broker. To other profession, enterprising people, wanted to help sell relatives' property, go to the broker whom you wanted to collaborate your listing. Okay, so let's continue. I'm gonna make demo after here. Last thing, by the way, allow me to share this sa lahat ng mga broker. Parang ano lang, you can screenshot this one. I'm using this also in my, and every time may mga broker, may mga agents, may mga property owner or mga referral agents, ito yung pino-forward ko sa kanila. Parang initial way to screen the listing, no? As part of greetings, thanks for allowing us to represent your property, marketing and selling. As part of our due diligence process before we start marketing your property, make sure it is legally feasible to sell. Please kindly submit the initial information below. Number 1, Google location map, coordinates, sketch plan, lot sizes, your selling price. Seller paying the property tax, capital gain, para alam-alam na kaagad, no? Is the property free of any annotations such as mortgage loan, para dyan pa lang, malaman natin if they are nagsinungaling, hindi nagsinungaling. Mamaya, sabi, malinis, pagkita natin on the document, may annotation pala. Are the real property tax paid annually? If not, what year? May we request scan copy of title, tax deck, if it's had improvement, kasama yung tax deck ng mga improvement. Does the seller allow us to market? Tanong na natin, online. Kasi may mga seller na pinagbawalan tayo i-market, no? Online. Is the seller willing to give our PF? Baka magpagod tayo, ayaw pala nila magbigay ng commission. Sabihin nila, mag-overprice kayo, presyo mo nga, over na, mahal na, mahirap naman, no? So better to, para hindi masagasaan yung PF natin, fix tayo. Is it 3%? Is it 5%? Diyan lang tayo maglalaro, no? Then, may I ask seller full name, mobile number, email for actual phone interview collaboration and to validate all this information. Kasi mention, hello, property owner, I'm broker Samuel Lau. May pinorward po dito na property listing si Agent Juan de la Cruz ko. Based on the information, I'd like to validate. Okay, after validating everything, by the way, can I set an appointment with you? I'll visit the location and I can have can bring also my form for ATS for you to sign. So that's how I work. And you can enhance on your own way also, di ba? Okay. Next. Paalala, I'm inviting you next Tuesday. Next Tuesday, you can put it on your calendars. So, kasi maglalagay tayo ng mga listing online. So, I'm sharing you also yung mga naranasan ko sa due diligence. So, para ano ba, sharpening the saw tayo, no? Sharpening the saw. So, see you again next Tuesday. You can put in your calendar. Tips in real estate due diligence. So, that's our topic next Tuesday. The same time, 8 o'clock. So, 1 hour pa rin tayo. Okay. So lastly, before I do the demo, we still have time before 9. We still have 15 minutes to do demo. So again, this is your broker, Samuel Lau. You can reach me through my mobile and WhatsApp. I think I have problem with my Viber. So mobile and WhatsApp, if you want me to respond to you the same day, right away, do mobile, okay? Message me mobile. And email, I'll check my email every day. And that's my website. So last thing, allow me to share this. In our business in real estate, what is very, very important is our integrity, our transparency. Kaya allow me to borrow this four-way test of the Rotary International. Four-way test of the things we think, say, and do. Is it the truth? Tama ba yung mga information mo? Is it fair to all concerned? Itong mga pre-present mong agreement natin? Will it build goodwill and better friendship? Will it be beneficial to all concerned? Baka after transaction, parang one time, big time lang pala ito, then malaman namin the latter part, nag 50-50 tayo sa commission. Meron ka palang extra income, nag-overprice ka pala, mas malaki pa yung overprice mo. So, dapat equal. Pareho tayong magpagod, dapat equal lang, no? Fair to all concerned, beneficial to everybody. Kasi, kaya nga I'm doing this because if I want to collaborate, I prefer to collaborate for people we have the same wavelength. Pareho kami ng mga understanding pag sa practice sa real estate. Kasi kahit broker to broker tayo, kung first time natin engagement, napapansin ko kasi may parang wall. Licensed broker, parang may wall. Pero sabihin ko na, okay, ayaw niyang ma-open. Pag nagtanong ako, Mr. Broker, did you do your due diligence on this property? Kasi feeling niya senior, mas alam niya. Pero nung nag-transact na kami, doon ko nalaman hindi pala feasible, hindi pa legally feasible to sell the property. Nag-aaway pala yung siblings and the one siblings are filing suit against other sibling. Meaning that senior broker did not do his or effort to do the deeper due diligence. Sinabi niya sa akin na, don't worry, kaklase ko ito, very close friend ko ang may-ari ng property. Nagpagod tayo, we get a property, we get a buyer, boom, dinala na natin sa site. After that, when we negotiate the price, tawaran pa kami on the middle na, doon ko nalaman, pag ano na lahat, yun pala may concern among siblings. So dapat, from the start, kayo din as the listing broker, that's our agenda. Na-forward na ako tuloy. That's our agenda next Tuesday. Okay? So, let's go to our demo. Okay, thank you. Good morning again. We have 38 participants now. Mamaya ko natignan yung chat box natin. Let's go to our other demo tayo. Okay, where's my website? Share site. Oh, sorry. Okay, can you see the website on the screen? You can type 1. You can see the website on the screen. Okay, so this is the example website we have here, phmls.com. So, pag nag-subdomain kayo, magkakaroon kayo ng parang ganito, ebaminusa.phmls.com or like ganito, nicoledaniel.phmls.com or ganito, arlanrealty.phmls.com. Pag pro account yan, tanggalin lang namin yung PHML. Kung ano yung bibilihin yung domain name, yun po ang papalit dyan. Pag binili nyo niya evergreenrealty.com, So sa inyo po. So we will ask you your domain name. Yung technical namin ang gagawa ng paano ma-upload yan on using your domain name lang. Okay, so let's go here. So phmls.com, once you subscribe, we have your listing, property, for sale, for rent, assume, foreclose. We have a property type, news, gallery. So if you click gallery and you send that to your client, lahat ng mga listing yan, yung mga direct listing nyo po. Sa gallery, mga direct listing nyo lang po ha. Walang ibang listing dyan from other broker. Ito, balik tayo sa homepage. Dito, Philippine Property Listing. Itong first 6 na ito, in random. In random, every time I do refresh, okay, tandaan mo ito, farm blocking farming. Every time I refresh, magbabago yan in random. Okay, nakita mo iba naman. Ito yung all listing ng mga iba-ibang broker nationwide. Diyan lalabas sa homepage mo, sa body mismo, sa gitna. Every time mag-refresh ang buyer, every time new browser, iba-iba kaya in random, lalabas. Tsaka may mga numbering yan. Okay, dito sa featured properties on the bottom, lahat ng listing dito is personal listing mo. If this is ebarealty.com, kay Eba lahat itong mga nasa featured properties. So, ano yung featured properties? Pareho lang yan dito sa gallery. So, if gusto ni Eva na mag-advertise, like for example, nagbukas ako ng isang property. So pag bukas ko sa isang property, this is a prime commercial property for sale in Derama. So lalabas dito, ako yung profile broker. Nandyan yung ID ko, nandun yung mobile number ko, kung ano yung description na ipapasulat ko, no? Then, konting by the way, on the description natin dito, bawal maglagay ng your contact number, your email, kasi this is for generic use. Kasi lahat naman tayo yung profile natin nasa kanan. So, mangyari ngayon, I'll tell you ngayon, si Eva is gusto niyang i-advertise ito sa Facebook. So, gawin ni Eva, copy-paste lang siya sa URL, HMLS, copy-paste, go to Facebook. Ito, ginawa ko na kanina, no? But again, I'll give it to you again. Lagay ko dito, copy-paste. Ayan. Anong lumabas? Diba yung nasa website ko? Let's say, next, post ko na yan. Try natin for a while. Okay, done. Ngayon, itong property na ito na nasa Facebook, pwede nating lagyan pa yan ng wording sa itaas, no? Description. Pag nag-boosting ako ngayon, boss property, di ba? Alam na natin ano yung boss. Balik mo na ako, na-click ko pala tuloy. Ganun. Oh, bakbuan ako. Ito, di ba? So, if nag-boost tayo, gumastos tayo ng 5,000 for this week for boosting this property, targeting Cebu. Kasi sa Cebu ang property na to. So, pag typical Facebook lang yan, pag hindi nagustuhan ng kliyente, ayaw, wala na. Babayo. Dapat, pag-click mo, hindi lang yung pictures lalabas. Pag-click mo, tignan natin na, pag-click ng client, click niya ang picture, click niya itong baba, dadalhin siya ngayon, magbubukas sa bagong browser. Ayan. So, saan si client, buyer, magbabasa? Dito siya magbabasa ngayon sa website mo. Okay. Dito siya titingin, dito lahat. Sinong profile broker? Tayo. Ikaw, kung ako sa website ko kasi to, so akin lang, no, ang lumabas pangalan. If it is Eva, ang nasa kanan Eva. So, kahit na ayaw niya nito, pili siya ng ibang listing sa baba. Ayan, click siya iba. Listing broker, Eva pa rin. Or ako pa rin, no? Depende kung sinong may-ari ng website. Kaya, meaning, kahit na the moment, ang ano kasi to parang spider web, no? Parang octopus. Parang spider web. Tingnan natin. Spider web, nasa gitna yung spider. Left, right, up, north, south, east, west, daming web to trap the prey, to trap yung pagkain niya. So tayo, parang nasa gitna tayo. That's your website. On your right, meron kang Facebook post, advertising, meron kang LinkedIn, meron kang TikTok, Reel, lahat-lahat na yan. The job is to attract clients. The moment they click, it opens to dalhin sa gitna your website para ang browsing of your property is on your website. Kasi on your website, hindi lang isang property ang nandun. Nandoon yung iba-iba pang property ng ibang brokers na pwede nilang ma-shopping. Pero nothing to worry because secured ka kasi ikaw lang ang profile broker. Di ba? How nice ma-maximize mo yung potential of your advertising cost. Pwede kang makapag-market ng iba-ibang listing. Okay? So that's the purpose po dito. Let's say you're gonna email, you will present this one. Gusto mo malaki. Double click the picture, malaki na ngayon. So pwede ka na mag-present ng using yung tablet, using yung bigger screen, no? Okay. Let's go now to halimbawa dito. Email. I'm gonna email this property to my client. Kasi humingi siya ng proposal, property. I'll email this. So pag-type ko doon sa URL, copy pa rin. Ganun pa rin ang laro, no? You copy the URL. The moment you copy the URL, you paste it here to the body, it will pop up ngayon. Okay, let's do another one para sure. Kita mo. Oh, ba't mahaba ito? Nag-browse pala ako. Ako lang. Let's say, kuha tayong bago ha. Let's say, Sweet Berry. Click ko ito ha. Ipapadala ko ito kasi Balamban. Para bago. Okay, then I copy the URL. Bagong ano tayo. Oh. So, yan. So, I'll put some writings. Hello, Mr. Buyer. I'm sending you the property that you inquired, our pre-selling property house unlocking Balamban, Cebu. Please kindly click below. Period lang. Pag-click niya yan, let's say, click niya yan, send natin. Pag-click niya yan, pop, anong lalabas? Dito siya dadalhin sa website mo. So, i-click niya double para lumaki. Yan, pili na siya, no? Nandun na yung pre-selling project. So, balik natin. Okay, browser. Pag ayaw niya, pili siya ng another pre-selling kasi pre-selling, so may ibang alternative. Browse siya sa baba. Ito, Pampanga ito ha. So, pretty sure hindi ko to listing, pero na ako pa rin ang profile broker, di ba? Hanap tayo iba. Ito naman, Pampanga pa rin. Oh. So, halimbawa, may nag-browse from another. So, ako pa rin profile broker. So, ito yung system, how the system work, no? So, let's say another one. Let's go to homepage. Sa homepage natin naman, meron tayong mga banner dito, syempre, part of our revenue to subsidize our operation is my website ads tayo. Sa website ads natin, we solicit ads ng, let's say, mga developer, but don't worry, kasi we give an account also sa developer. Parang kayo, si Robinson's Land. Who among you can memorize all project of Robinson's Land? Who among you can memorize all project of SMDC? So dito, kagandahan is the moment nag-advertise si Robinson's Land or SMDC, let's say SMDC, Cebu Land Master, Cebu Land Master. Meron silang project more than 20. So tayo, we just type the name of the developer, yung mga nasa account na namin. You don't need to worry na to memorize kasi sila na mismo si developer ang naglalagay dito sa website natin. That will also become your inventory. So pag-click mo Cebu Land Master Development, search mo, lalabas na ngayon lahat ng project album ni Cebu Land Master. So andyan na. So you don't need to memorize. By the way, it will not bring to the developer's website. Bawal. Ang usapan namin, you upload it in our system. Kung 20 project yan, 20 album, you can update it 24/7. Basta, just like doing product knowledge seminar, no? Update the project, the location, the photos, the sample computation, the price list. Bawal i-upload ang commission tsaka incentives. Di ba? So, ganun lang ka-simple. So, it mapagali ang trabaho natin as broker because sooner or later, give us another 6 months, marami ng developer na under our system also. Kayo naman
Huwag na
nasa
nasagot.
Luzon, saka sa Mindanao, we will also ask your help na to promote this to also to other to other developer in your area para tulong-tulong. Let's say from Laguna, sina Sir Hermie, sila Ann, they tap also the local developer. So that helps nandito. Kami ngayon, pag may nagtanong sa project na yan, alangan naman Sir Hermie, pupunta pa ako ng Laguna to be accredited by that developer. So, kung kayo yung kakilala kong broker doon, I'll just co-broker with you, 50-50. So, yung 50-50 natin, hindi yung sa brokerage lang tayo. 50-50 natin, pati sa project selling, pati sa kasama na yung sa rental leasing natin, no? So, don't worry about the ads. Hindi yan pupunta sa kanila. Meron din tayong lower banner ads kasi I'm also searching for MLS coordinator sa bawat lugar to help me promote this website sa bawat lugar and to solicit subscriber and to solicit advertising. So sinong interested, you just contact me through my cell phone. Okay, so that ends our presentation. Paalala ko ulit, don't forget to send to my email yung information kanina, yung contact na yung pangalan nyo, yung contact number nyo, yung email nyo, yung address nyo, yung PRC ID para we can create yung free 3 months nyo na MLS website. So magkaroon kayo ng limwellima.phmls.com. So after 3 months, 1 month prior matapos yung 3 months, our IT department will send email to Mr. Lima. Hi sir, how would you like to continue the services of our subdomain package? Ito yung cost. Or you want to upgrade into your own brand domain package, ito yung cost, 12,000 or the other one, 6,000. So dun tayo. After 3 months, so of course, 3 months is enough for you to try, test the system, no? So we still have